everybody, it's Chelsea with RTW Discoveries. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today we'll be checking out the Resort King Room at the Bellagio Hotel and Casino. On the lobby ceiling, you will notice 2,000 hand-blown glass flowers, perfect for the backdrop of your first picture. You can check in on the mobile app, or you can try your luck with the $20 trick at the desk. At the door is a full-length mirror for those final checks before going out. Now let's check out the room. You have a king-size bed, a little on the firm side, but the pillows were nice and fluffy. Over here you have two accent chairs that were mighty comfy, perfect for reading a newspaper or eating in while you take a break from all the walking around on the strip. In front of the bed you'll find the TV, wet bar, and closet area. For those of you who bring work on your vacation, here's your area. Now I didn't get the best view, but I did get a view of the pool. It was a little chilly, so I didn't get a chance to go down there and test it out. Now I did save the best for last, the bathroom. I personally love this bathroom. It looks nice and elegant. It's everything you can want when you're on a vacation. Now, of course, you have your stand-up shower. The hot water was perfect. Putting on makeup in front of this mirror with all this lighting was absolutely great. When I first saw this tub, I already knew I was going to have a relaxing night, so that's exactly what I did. I put in one of my bath bombs and I had an enjoyable, relaxing evening. Now, what did you think about the Resort King Room? Is it a place that you were thinking about staying, or have you ever stayed here before? Leave your comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.